corner. Today we're gonna open up this RC monster truck, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. If you want to see more toy reviews, please give a thumbs up and turn on notifications. Okay, let's get in the video. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Pretty small. There it is. Got that. Got the working controller. Here's what it looks like. Oh. I think. Okay, I got this tiny thing loose. So there it is, a little motion control. Here, it's a little motion control, not little. And then it comes with.
So it came with batteries? Cool.
Big AA battery.
Okay, there's a 9-volt battery that came with it.
And the monster truck. I might have to slide it.
Okay, I'm gonna help you with this remote. So, 9 volts. Okay, hold on. The 9 volts go here. So the battery is in.
And I forgot to tell you guys, if you guys want to see more electric videos, please give a thumbs up and turn notifications.
Okay, so it's a big stomper.
It's a mud
monster truck.
It's a mud rollers. You can go in mud or water.
Okay, and I think you need to put batteries. Batteries go in there.
I'll keep them distracted.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stay here going up and down, 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 up and down. That's what you ask if you see a dog. If you bought a dog. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a toy monster truck. It's kind of like one of those toy monster trucks, but it's not. And I used to have one of these when I was little, but it broke. And I was very, very sad. I used to have one of these, like one. Yeah, it was one. And it was much more huger than this. Seriously, much more huger. But I still have it, but I lost the book in the control. So sad. I mean, that happened. Let me see what it looks like. What is that ready for? Is that a charger? The other one?
Needs 6.
So we're gonna drive this out. We're gonna. Over there.
Okay, let's try it. So there's the on button. Okay, so try first if it's gonna move or not. It's on. Okay, go.
Oh,
there you go.
There. Now.
Try it. Try turning it.
What?
Turn the wheels. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Okay. There it is.
Make it move. Oh!
Is it gonna break?
Oh, not.
Ready?
Yeah. Can you make it get in there? There you go. Back it up.
I'm gonna try it. Okay, ready? I need to see if it holds it. How is it?
Oh yeah, there you go.
Holds it. Okay, that's it.
Oh, there you go. Go back.
It's
cool.
moving. It's like a little exercising. Surrounding me.
Run over you.
We're not.